Alright, this is the Black Blizzard Part 2 video. I don't want to waste any time with the intro, so here we go.
Alexa, what time zone is Hong Kong in?
Hong Kong is in Hong Kong time.
Wow, nice. Alexa stuff.
That's some very useful information. Right? I'll use that.
It is literally just Hong Kong time.
So apparently, Diddy's lawyer quit his sex trafficking case.
Haha, is that baby oil?
Yeah, he took too much of the body. He's like, I can't handle this anymore, bro.
No, he's the only one that escaped. I'm telling you right now, I bet he tried to pull me up.
Peter, fix
I'm not here for no little boy, no, Chris Hansen. I'm here for booty.
There's like 25 I'm crying.
It's cause Jesus Christ is my nigga.
Hamburger. Encounter Herobrine hitting that gritty.
What? What? Why? Why did I die there? Why? That is just, oh my god.
We're gonna make
No.
fucking.
That's how you sound like a stupid idiot. No, I'm just kidding.
See, can trees generate floating? Like, it's just a leaf. Like, they generate on top of a lava pool. Like,
How
is
that possible?
a tree goes directly in the lava pool.
When the goth mommy enters the room.
Or you take him on a wife.
Bro, wait, do some like burial goods fucking. Like,
What?
crave. Like, you know that shitpost of the moths trying to fly to the sun? And
No,
then
wait.
some
Just tell
guy-
me what to say.
Brother, I crave the forbidden land. You forget Icarus? How foolish.
I crave the forbidden land, brother. Fuck. I messed it up. I messed it up, chat. I might be cooked.
Try again.
It's got chocolate.
Try again. End it. End yourself. If Endless dies, does everything have an end? How dare you? Me, you frickin' onion. You onion?
I'm an onion. Oh yeah. Let's go.
Brother, I crave the forbidden lamp. Don't do it, brother. No, brother, please.
You should really go down the game one and you should recite the entire fucking
Not right now. No.
You should go down to BC1 and recite the entirety of the Communist Manifesto.
I'm reciting the Bible.
There, in the beginning of time, God said, "Let there be light."
sick burn.
No, God said, "Let there be Costco." Stupid.
Oh, yeah. And then
Let there be California. Let there be pain.
And then his
Let there be
first-
suffering.
And then his first son, what's the big guy's name? I don't know.
Fat guy from Family Guy.
Faggot.
He's the fat guy from Family Guy. He was the first. He was in the Bible, right?
Brother, I desire your mother.
Whoa, buddy, that's a bit far now. Come on.
No, your mother is
There's
mine.
no way this shit is real. Brother, can you set me up with a goth again?
Brother, can you set me up with a mommy goth girlfriend? You be wildin'. Brother, can you set me up with a goth GF? On God. Please. Show me your pee Dutch.
This is my schlong, sir. Is it up to adequate length?
No, end it.
Okay.
Cut it off.
I got you, bro. I
It
got you.
circumcised now, buddy.
No, I'm not doing that yet. Or ever, actually. I don't really want to go for the pain of that. Okay. keep my skin, thanks. I like having the extra baggage. True or false, penis. Why can't I move my hand when I'm sleeping with this mod, bro? It looks like I can jerk myself off. I don't like it.
Alright, now why am I
Finally!
dying again? Did I not just practice this for like half an hour?
Thank God for this bullshit. Thank you. Oh my God. Okay, that's a pretty solid attempt.
He said, invite me back, new year, new me.
Hey, New Year, New Hoover, right?
I
Come on.
don't touch little kitties.
I feel like typing it back, sorry, but pedophiles don't change.
No, you should say, hey, new year, new children.
New year, new sense.
Okay, so another funny thing about what happened is we were listening to Virtual Insanity and while it happened, listening to it while going down the road and we nearly died.
Imagine that being the last song you hear before you get in a multi-car accident.
Futures made of virtual
How come in every tornado video essay they always explain what CAPE is? CAPE, also known as convective available potential energy, is essentially fuel for thunderstorms, or how much instability is in the atmosphere.
Guys, I didn't go to school today.
Yeah, I didn't go to
Wow.
school today either.
Yeah, we did.
I didn't go either.
I didn't go either too. Right?
Watch out! There's a car!
It's right behind me, isn't it?
World, can I send you something ungodly and not okay?
Sure.
I'm sending it to you as a friend and not relating to the server, therefore I will not face punishment for what I send it.
Okay. I wonder what this could be. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Why are you actually saying acronyms now, bro?
I'm gonna go
They're
shoot-
doing it ironically! Get it?
Still, it's fucking. Oh my god, it's.
Dude, no, I will never stop saying TSPMO.
Toe paper laid.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie?
Did you say Team Fortress 2?
I don't know what.
You need to speak English better.
Oh my god, what is happening upstairs?
Did I remember to install
What's the
I
first
don't
story?
know. I could hear my ceiling fan shaking.
Gonna find a tank up there.
Novelty.
He's gonna find a boomer.
I'm gonna break my monitor, I swear.
Do it! I'm breaking your penis in half. Pig. I have a pee-pee that burns. Oh yeah.
Eat babies, you.
Oh, how do I, what?
What else isn't working?
Literally fucking nothing.
My weight checker.
Did you just say weight checker?
I forgot what it's called. Shut up.
My man, it's a scale. I'm clipping that. You're not safe anymore.
I hope you get a little.
I didn't mean to cut that guy in half.
Yeah, let me just scooch it back together a little bit, right?
Endless, what do you think my camera?
Your mom.
That's necrophilia.
Do you not know? Do you not know what? Okay, you know what? Necrophilia is the obsession to want to fuck corpses. What? Is your mother dead?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
He's like, oh, this guy's a fucking idiot. Oh, okay.
Oh, great. This guy's
No. I'm just like, damn, that's crazy. Anyway.
Suelta more. Oh my god.
This is
Yeah, you broke it. What was that?
Yeah, can I get like the load keeper fade, please? Like. Alright, thanks.
Oh my god, he did it at the speed of light.
Low
Yo, guys, what do you think is better, iPhone or Android?
I don't really know though. They're both phones, so I guess both.
Apple products are actually trash. I know because I own one.
One thing I hate about Apple is that they really block everything, so I can't get freaking Geo. And then the only way I can get mods like that is freaking if I pay $6 for iCreate Pro.
Hey guys, look! My very first medium demon I'm about to try and beat.
Wait, what's your hardest?
Easy demon.
Mine is
Wait, hold on. That makes no sense. Am I seriously still in the bad tier list if I'm technically kind of good at the game? In a sense.
Oh, if you're hard, I think if it's based on
like if it's based on everyone.
Then yeah, you're below me, cause
yeah, no, if it's based on like
because you're worse than me, because my hardest is a medium demon. The whole level is like really
in my opinion, for B.
I mean, when you turn 21, you're legally an adult to train someone, but when you're 18, you're kind of like legally adult in law.
I did it. I'm here. I finally made it. The One Piece is real. I'm gonna make a Hargus.
63. Alright, you know what? I'll take that.
Wait, on Black Blizzard?
Yeah.
No way.
You know what? I'll take it.
Nothing. I was just thinking about Chris.
I'm going to hang my.
He was also in a cone. He appeared out of nowhere for like 2 minutes. Said some random words and then just disappeared. I heard Kurt say something about cheeseburgers.
I want to see how far I can get from 0 today, because I know I can get some good shit done.
Yeah, you got this, buddy. I believe in you. And if I believe in you, that's all you need.
Wait, will Crowd Control be a new hardest for you since like it's
Yeah, I think so. It's Cataclysm 1000 and Crowd Control's 900.
Yeah, it's like somewhere in the 900.
It's massive. It's almost as massive as Low Tipper Fade.
Was the knight in shining armor in...
So, I posted on my Instagram, go follow my new TikTok account, and my grandma just liked it.
Oh, nah. Don't let her.
I'm cooked, bro.
You gotta get the gruz, right? You have to get the gruz on you.
No!
Gotta get the grussy. Gotta get the grussy.
Far.
Harrow,
I'm gonna kill you, Harrow! You're being a meanie panini.
Not wrong.
Oh, my bad. Why is my auto deafen not working?
Maybe your auto deafen is taking a break. 45?
Maybe you should take a break. Get owned.
He's getting far.
No! 66.
Why when I said that he died? You have something against me?
No.
Okay, this is an interesting level, you see, because it's called crowd control in movie theaters, right?
No! It's called Aftermath by Godzilla.
Can you stop having fucking diarrhea?
I'm sorry, Pee-Pee Bears.
I will actually fucking kill you.
I will sit on you.
Yes, please. Bruh, let me guess, you're gonna say something, you're probably gonna like that.
No, I know you like that.
I hate you. No, my first name is Iron, last name Man. My first name is Ben, my last name is Dover.
Let's say that your last name is Fmen. Like, PH Men. Fmen. Right? You should not be naming your kid Ilo.
My name is John, last name Fork. Thank you.
My name is Bartholomew. My middle name is Jay. And my last name is...
My name is Avatar, the Last Chairbender.
Bro, imagine if Exterm asked us to roast him in the most creative way possible.
I don't even need to roast you. You're already roasted. Hey bro, roast me. You're already roasted. Look at you.
19 to 57. Be Exterm or John Fork?
Nah, I want to be John Walk.
Yeah, can I be Tyler Blood?
Was the knight in shining?
Jonathan Cornelius Ford.
My name's Colonel Cornelius Cornwall.
Oh, my name.
I love corn.
Whoa, I really fucking got
I can smell you.
Harry, you should do a Kamal block speedrun.
Alright, bet, hold on.
Alright, I'll time you.
Doing what? Give me the countdown, alright, give me the countdown, I'll get it.
No, you have to start in Black Blizzard, then exit, then block him. Alright, say time when you're ready to stop, okay? Go into Black Blizzard. Pause. 3, 2, 1, go.
It's blocked!
Done, block, you're done.
3 seconds.
Alrighty.
Damn it, I could do better, hold on, how do I unblock him? Wait, how do I unblock him? Fuck. Wait, hold on.
You can't.
What?
Why are you
No!
trying to block?
No!
I'm kidding. I think that you can see your block list.
Never play that game. Go into friends and then...
Alright, yeah, there we go, I unblocked him.
Okay, you ready? Pause your game.
Hold on, after okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Motherfucker, okay, you know okay, that was horrible, okay, that was a horrible...
That didn't count. 3.
Oh, okay, you want me to pick you in a stream? Alright, let's see here. Tell me what goes for 2.
2 milliseconds better.
2 milliseconds better. Alright,
You know what?
that's progress.
3.
I want you to go and beat... Let me double check the list.
2 seconds!
2 seconds,
check
right?
the level.
We're cooking.
Alright, hold on, let me try. You know how people used to call levels maps?
Oh, yeah.
Thanks for playing my map.
Thanks for the follow!
I was trying to play through the level. While I was clicking the up arrow, I quite literally missed it, bruh.
Bro, I'm so tired.
Tired, then go to sleep.
When you're sleeping, you're not making Geometry Dash progress.
Real.
No!
I hate 40%, bro. I hate it. I hate 40%. I'm actually about to crash out, homie. You don't want to see me when I'm angry.
You're going from 0?
Yes.
Rip.
Why did you think I was on deaf?
I didn't even know you're deaf, and I'm gonna be completely honest.
I guess someone doesn't care about me. I'm kidding.
Hey, what's your rapper name? Giggle
Bob, Zoink owns a fursuit.
He does. I
He
showed
off
Octor.
his fursuit hands on stream.
Oh, they squeak.
Yeah, they squeak. And then he started meowing and barking.
Okay, anyways, let me take some time on how I met a furry at a bowling alley that barked at me.
What is wrong with you?
Okay, so I went to a bowling alley that's out there where I live, and I go there, right? Due to my big brother, he took me there. It's his birthday. He wanted to celebrate for a little bit by going bowling. And then as I'm entering the door, there's a girl with a furry tail on all fours. It's a furry mask on that just covers the upper half of your face and on your mouth. Like whimpering and barking at me to open the door. I'm like, no, fuck off.
And she then immediately took out Zelda and he started barking.
Bob, let me ask you something. What are these atrocious ass things you be
Oh, by the way,
bringing up?
if you heard me, I
Let me keep talking!
My bad.
What are those atrocious ass things that you come up with? Like, I could say that my mom died, and you say, no, I could tell you about the time that my grandma died and I revived her. Like, bro, what are those experiences?
Bonk. Wop, 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 wop. Don't mess him up. Hey, I'm a police officer. I can commit crime anytime I want. Move the fuck out of the way, pussy. My balls head.
Everything that I bear, praise the Lord.
Okay. Oh my god, 68. Okay, finally.
You got a new record?
Oh my god. You do
Let's
not
go, bro.
You do not feel the relief from my body after getting a new vest. Oh my. You do not feel the relief. One drop attempt a day keeps the doubt away, alright?
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie?
What the fuck?
W lady call right there.
Yo, V, check out this new one.
Who's clapping cheeks then? Right, in the bag.
A blue whale's anus can stretch approximately 3.5 feet, making it the second largest asshole on the planet, just behind people who drive Cybertrucks.
I got notified that you have a little money. You got the richest.
Uncle Bernie told me that you had money, Remy.
I don't.
A little birdie pooped on my head.
I'm claustrophobic. I hate claustros.
It's claustro. When you have arachnophobia, but you get erected very easily.
Erectophobia.
That's just women. That's just lesbians, bro.
Bro, POV, would you take it off your shirt? Ah! What the fuck? What the fuck?
You take off your shirt and you see two vaginas.
What?
Don't even question. Why is Cool Bro frozen in place? Cool Bro, smile for the camera. I said smile, you dumb shit.
Oh shit, is Oculus? Oh wait, no.
Oh, Jimmy, take it out of me.
He's undressing, that's crazy.
God, I better
that would go crazy.
My brother should grab me this Swansky as toast and scratch it against the wall.
Man, fuck One Punch Man. We got one hump man.
Smash!
Tassie, guess what?
What?
One of my ex's friends speaks German.
Oh.
So she can translate between you guys if you want to convert her.
I can convert people in English too.
Oh, that's right. I forgot you speak English.
Really not that hard.
Wait, Tassie, you speak English?
Mino hablas inglés?
I speak slight Japanese.
Shishimi-san go roku sichi hachi kuji.
Sacre Ocular knows French, that's a thing.
Tell me a slur in French.
That's the only one I know.
Wait, Ocular, then how do you say hi in French?
I?
In French.
He's got this, bro. This the run. That's what I be saying. That's what I say. Why is he? Do not pull out a boob, guys. Do not pull out a boob.
You do not call me boo.
Do not flash a boob. Bob, the kind of guy who goes scuba diving with laced scuba gear.
Nah, fuck RGB.
Hey, bro, just say fuck LGBT.
Yeah, fuck that.
Damn. But I agree.
Damn.
To be dead honest, I was gonna die laughing if you beat it at Sam.
Listen, the legal drinking age is 13. You're gonna be guzzling down a bottle of wine.
No, we gotta get him addicted early, alright? You gotta get...
Gotta get the addiction early.
I feel so fucking bloated right now.
I'm bloated.
Not only you're bloated, but you're also rolling.
What you know about rolling down in the deep?
No, yours is more like, I came in like a wreck.
That's you when you're on a swing set, and the thing breaks and you go flying. Okay, I will help you experience all human emotions now, okay? Okay, so for horny, hi, my name's Ocular. For sad, did you hear that Hitler's dead? Alright, now for happy, did you hear that all Jews are being deported from Germany? For mad, did you hear that all of them are coming back?
My agenda. I'm a mechanic.
I'm a mechanic.
Hitler's coming to your house. What do you have to say?
Hey dude, I really like your book. Hey, will you sign my copy?
What's your least favorite race?
The Daytona 500. It's way too fucking overrated.
How did we talk about fucking dumping to NASCAR in like 5 minutes? What the fuck?
Shut up, Canadian.
Go back to Ontario, bitch!
That's across from where I live.
Cross the border. Utilize the Mexican within you.
Y'all be joking I'm Canadian.
You are. You really are Canadian, right? Like,
I am not Canadian!
You literally are. You have proved it on your U.S. citizenship test.
I think Ocular's crashing out right now. Yeah, that's just gonna be your crash out reaction. Just fucking shit your pants forcefully.
Cool, bro, I'm gonna go shit angrily.
Alright, that was the Black Blizzard Part 2 video. The next time that I upload anything Black Blizzard related, it'll be the full video. I have 49 clips left to edit, and I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be doing this. I want to get this out by the anniversary of me being Black Blizzard, so I hope you enjoyed that, and see you in the next few months. I don't know.